The question gives me that the area of the rectangle over here is 9 plus square root of 6. And the area of the rectangle can be calculated by taking the length BC multiplied by the length AB, which is 2 square root of 2 plus square root of 3. And this is 9 plus square root of 6, which means that BC over here is 9 plus square root of 6 divided by 2 square root of 2 plus square root of 3. Let's rationalize this. I'll multiply the numerator and the denominator by the conjugate of the denominator. So it is 2 square root of 2 minus square root of 3. For the denominator, it is also the same, 2 square root of 2 minus square root of 3. For the denominator, it is pretty simple because what we have here is a a plus b and a minus b scenario. So it is going to be a squared minus b squared. As for the numerator, let's expand it term by term. This multiplied by this 18 square root of 2. This multiplied by this minus 9 square root of 3. And this is going to be 2 square root of 6 times 2. This and this minus square root of 6 times 3. The denominator will just simply be 2 squared multiplied by 2. It is going to be 8 minus square root of 3 squared. This is 3. As for the numerator, we have this minus 9 square root of 3 plus 2, this is square root of 12, minus this is square root of 18. Square root of 12, I can rewrite it as square root of 4 times 3, and that means it is square root of 4 multiplied by square root of 3. This is just 2 square root of 3. And as for square root of 18, I'm going to rewrite it as square root of 9 times 2, which means that it is square root of 9 multiplied by square root of 2. Square root of 9 is 3, so 3 square root of 2. Which means that what we have here is 18 square root of 2 minus 9 square root of 3 plus 2 times of square root of 12 is 2 square root of 3 minus square root of 18 is 3 square root of 2 divided by 5. And if I were to simplify the numerator, it is 15 square root of 2 minus 5 square root of 3 divided by 5. So if I were to simplify this further, this divided by this is 3 square root of 2. This divided by this is minus square root of 3. But this is not exactly what the question wants. The question wants this to be in the form of square root of a minus square root of b, which means that this over here must exist purely as a third form. So 3, I'm going to rewrite it as 3 square root multiplied by square root of 2 minus square root of 3. This is fine because it is just a single third form. So what we have here is a square root of 9 times 2 minus square root of 3. So my final answer is going to be square root of 18 minus square root of 3.